Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we are just gonna learning something easy and really great effect in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are really new in Adobe Illustrator, so don't worry about that, you can learn it. What are you waiting for? Let's do that. So very first we have to just make a page, and then light, and then just make it all caps, and then make the names just font is the bold font. I just use this font. You can use your own font, so no worry about that. And then make it a great outline, and then select this gradient. Select just open the swatches, go to Windows and get a swatches board like this, and then just a color, gray color, and just a gray color, and then go to effect, and then make it blur, the Gaussian blur, and I must suggest to make this a Gaussian blur is a 20. So this will be 20s. Okay, then we have to go to object again. Go to object and rasterize, and just remind that this color mode will be RGB, and the resolution will be 300 dpi, and the background will be white, and this art optimization. So then just press the OK and go to effect, and then pixelate, then color halftone. Go to color halftone. So when you just color halftone, just make this radius in here, the max radius I use 35, and you can always remember that the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3 and channel all the thing will be 45. So then just press OK. So you see this, there's a polka dot effect on your text. So that's a really easy and simple technique. In here you see this appearance option. Just click the appearance. Just if you don't have the appearance, go to Windows and you can download the appearance from here, and the color halftone. And in here you see you can minimize this option, like just 25. Let's see how it's look. Now it's look good. Then go to object and image trace, make and expand. Just expand it and select the background white area, and just quick selection tools and just delete it. And you can all the color them together. So color them. I just select this and shift on swatches. I make this color, and you can go to file and then escape, and then randomness option in here. So just fill the swatches. So this is how it's really nice and smooth effect in the just Adobe Illustrator in just in some clicks. And if you don't have this the file, and when you just go to script option, so I give you the suggestion, this effect in here, like this script, and the randomness option, how to solve that on randomness option. I already upload the video in here. So what are you waiting for? So if you think that's really worth your time, so what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and support Expart. So if you support Expart, this family will be bigger. Thank you so much. Thank you.